Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for John in Louisiana on the Ranger RCI-2970n4. John, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, and we also did the voltage regulator upgrade for AM use. Get right to it on AM. 250 watt slug all the way down, 22 watts all the way down, just in case you decided to run a 16 pill. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, about 215, 220. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 watt slug in the corner. All right, let's go to sideband, since that is where you're going to be operating it. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. 500 watts with my trusty Superstar mic. Love these mics. All right, John, my longtime friend, I sure appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy this radio. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.